Hi, I'm Genevieve and I have been nominated by Get the Gloss to do the Get the Gloss in 7 makeup challenge, and I'm going to be doing it with a whole face of Flannels Beauty, which I'm an ambassador for. I know that this is going to be difficult. I've tried before years ago to do a full face of makeup in 10 minutes in real time. It's really hard, and I'm making it harder for myself because I'm not going to just do a natural look. I want to do something, I'm going to call it speedy summer, right? I'm not ready to get rid of summer. I'm not ready for it to be over. So we're going to do like a bit of a bold lip, and I'm going to show you a couple of tricks as well. I have my timer here. Oh God, are we ready for this? I've got my products out in front of me. So yeah. Okay, ready, steady. Hello? Oh, let's try that again. I mean, that is just, the suspense is killing me. Okay, ready, steady, go. Okay, so I'm going to start with skin. This is a really quick way to do skin. I've got the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter, which kind of doubles up as a foundation but a glowy product as well. So what I'm hoping is that this makeup look will look quite polished and definitely not like it took me 7 minutes. And I'm doing it quick from the start because I just know that this is going to take ages. NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Ginger. This concealer is one of my all-time favourites. You can do so much with it. I'm going to use it today to kind of brighten and add coverage, and I'm just doing that kind of like in between where I've put the Flawless Filter, and I know I like coverage on my chin. And then the key is, I have definitely mixed my products together. Key is, just get a brush, blend it out. And what you're left with, just you wait, it looks like a really like polished, finished skin, and I'm just buffing it in with my foundation brush. Oh, how many minutes? That's already been a minute, I'm not joking. Right, can I do this? Can I do this? Sure. Blend, blend, blend. And I've done all my skincare already because that doesn't count as makeup, it's not skincare. Otherwise we'd be here for half an hour. Okay, right, that's good enough for now. Nude Sticks Nudies in the shade Terracotta Tan, and this is gonna add a bit of warmth to my face. And I'm not even gonna powder today because I don't have enough time. Blend that out, same brush. I think I'm actually a raving lunatic, so I'm gonna try and do a winged liner. But I wanted something. Oh, look. Oh wow, look at that. Lovely, lovely. Keep myself going. Okay, brows. Give me brow in the shade 4.5. Nope, shade 5 by benefit. Through my brows. My brows are kind of naturally dark, so I feel like I'm cheating a little bit with this because boom, brows look good to go. Okay, oh my goodness, am I gonna do this? Yes, I am. Okay, Tom Ford eyeliner. I have to be quiet when I'm doing this. I'm gonna do a wing. Boom. Can I get it even? Probably not. I wanted to challenge myself. What's that like? Oh, not good. We can come back. We can come back to that. And I'm not even gonna do anything. How many minutes? Okay, I've got 4 minutes. I feel like I can relax a little bit. Mascara, this is one of the most important things. I'm gonna use the Urban, oh no! I stabbed myself in the eye. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna do it through the tears. I'm really lucky that I didn't make a big mess. Oh my God. Have you ever had anyone cry before? Okay, so this mascara is actually so fantastic and it builds up super quickly. So look at that, big lashes from the get-go. Ignore my slowly reddening eye. I'm gonna leave it there just now. Biggest thing for this, red lip. We're gonna use the NARS Power Matte Liquid Lip, and don't stop. I'm gonna take my time a little bit with this. I've got 3 minutes left. This is one of my favourite reds of all time. And I'm gonna go right over. Because this is so pigmented, I don't even really need a liner. Okay, that's a bit messy. And I'm just using the precision wand. No, not bad, not bad. I feel like I'm shouting. Okay. And I like to overdraw my lips, so I'm kind of doing that with the tip. Okay. Top tip, are you ready? It's genius. Little bit of my Flawless filter. A touch of liquid lipstick, literally a tiny amount. And I'm gonna go in with the same brush. And I'm gonna mix it. Look what we've got, a blush. Boom. That worked, right? Do you know what I will say? I'm a bit shiny. I'm gonna add another product into the mix. I have to. Oh, I've got a minute and a half. Charlotte Tilbury pressed powder, airbrush flawless finish. That's just gonna take the shine off where we want, but we'll keep it at the cheeks. And that's what's gonna give us that lovely highlighted look. I've got a minute to spare. Let's finesse these wings. I'm gonna go back in. Watch me mess it up now. Right, that's not bad. Is it? I can't even tell. My heart's pumping like crazy. I like that one better. And then I've got 38 seconds left. We're on easy street. I'm gonna add a little bit of mascara to my lower lashes. See, it was worth the rush at the start. Wasn't it? "14 seconds left. 12. Oh. Just a wee bit more rush right there. I'm delighted. Delighted. I feel like I look a bit sweaty. I probably would go outside like this. I think it's okay. I would definitely take more time to finesse, and actually, there's one thing that I think that my face looks empty without, and it's my freckle. I don't think that was half bad. What do you think? So get the gloss. I hope you thought I did all right. I mean, I would like to nominate Victoria McGrath, aka In the Fro, aka my fellow ambassador for Flannels Beauty. I would really like to see Vic do this. So I haven't asked her yet. Let's fingers crossed that she says yes. And yeah, other than that, thanks very much for having me, and I'll see you next time. Next time, give me like 20 minutes, please, please.